President, they're ready for you.
Okay, thank you. First, I want to thank all of you for coming at such short notice. As I'm sure all of you know by now, at 0300 hours, an electrical discharge, commonly known as lightning, occurred in the Pacific Ocean. Normally, electrical storms are not considered top priority, but this one is. You see, we have never seen a storm this big. We, the United States of America, and other nations around the world are sending trained specialists to examine the storm to determine what dangers it could have in store for us. I assure everyone that we are working around the clock on this and will keep you updated as to our findings in the upcoming hours and days. Thank you for coming, and God bless.
There's a signal being monitored from the storm's location. Where'd you hear that? Kremlin is reporting that there's a low-frequency signal coming from the storm.
Madam President, is this a military exercise gone wrong? The American people should be told